Hey, and welcome back to the 14th HTML and CSS tutorial. And I think it's time to cover a table. And for this tutorial, I want to show you how to create a table for a web page. And it's an easy way to organize your information on a website in a specific manner using your specific rows and columns. So if you're familiar with an Excel and spreadsheet in Microsoft, and you know how it's works, how it's organized using a rows and columns. So the table is collection of rows and columns where you can provide information for. So table is where you're storing information in a more specific way in rows and columns. So it's easy for a user to read and it's for you to organize the data on a web page. So it'll become more handy when we deal with some structural data to represent on a web page. So let's get safe for this tutorial. Creating a table. The tag required is a table. So here's your table tag. All our rows and columns, which is a part of a table which comes inside this table, and that's why we need to define inside and table. So remember, I want to define this table rows and columns inside this table tags, starting and ending tag, because it's a part of a table. So that's how HTML reads your table content. So for assigning a table row, the tag is a TR, stands for table row. Inside an opening and closing table row, I need to define a table data. TD stands for table data. And now inside this table data tag, I have to define my table content. So value I want to define inside this TD tag. So this TR stands for first row and this one TD stands for one column. So I have inside my table one row and one column. And if I have a multiple column, just I need to paste it over time. So now I have one row and three columns. And for providing a value for my column, I will define as a TD table data. So I'm giving this column 1, column 3. So now let's create a second row. Let's organize it proper way, like because it's in the first row, part of the first row, and this is a part of the second row. So now I'm going to run this on my browser. So it is an arranged table with 2 rows and 3 columns. For visual representation, I'm giving an border. You can put a proper CSS style. You can use CSS style or just define this as table and border property. This border property will take a value as a pixel. So how much pixel do you want in border for a table? And I'm setting as 1 pixel as of now. Now fresh, and now you can see there is a table with a border, so you can see the structure of a proper table. So here is my 2 rows and 3 columns. If I delete one of the column, so now I have 2 columns with remaining one is blank. Let me create a third row within 3 columns. So now you can see there is 3 rows. With the first row has 3 columns, second row has 2 columns, and third has 3. So this is the proper table structure you can create inside your HTML page. You can give some color just for styling table. So let's style inside the CSS. I want to style my column side table, so I have to give a property for TD. And the property I want is in background color. So now I have a color for my table is in yellow. So that's how I can create a table in HTML. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.